Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to solve this algebraic equation 4 to the power n minus 2 to the power n is equal to 1. Or this 4, we can write this as 2 square, this is 4 and whole to the power of this n, whole to the power n minus this 2 to the power n is equal to right side, this is 1. Or according to exponential formula, we can write 2 to the power 2 whole to the power n, this as 2 to the power of this n and whole to the power of this 2. That means 2 to the power n whole square minus this 2 to the power n is equal to right side, this 1. Now consider this 2 to the power n as m. So we can write this as m square minus this as m. So m is equal to 1. Here this m is equal to this term 2 to the power n. 2 to the power of n. Now taking this 1 to left side, we can write m square minus this m and minus this 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. The general solution of this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The solution of this equation as x is equal to this negative b plus or minus square root of this term square b square minus 4 times this c times this a. C a over 2 times of this a, 2 times a. So this is the solution of this equation. Now comparing this equation with this equation, we can write a, this is the coefficient of this square term, so the coefficient of m square is 1. So this a is equal to 1. And b, this is the coefficient of this x. So here the coefficient of m is negative of 1. So we can write b is equal to negative 1. And c, this is the constant term of this equation, which is negative 1. So c is equal to negative 1. Now substitute this value in this equation, we will get the value of m. So we can write m is equal to negative b, that means negative of negative 1. So negative of negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square. This b square means this negative 1 whole square minus 4 times this c times a. That means c is negative 1 times a is 1. Negative 1 times 1. Total divided by 2 times a. That means 2 times of this 1. 2 times 1 is equal to this negative of negative 1. This is positive 1 plus or minus square root of this negative 1 whole square. This is positive 1 and negative 4 times negative 1, this is positive 4 times 1, this is plus 4, divided by 2 times 1, this is 2, is equal to this 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4, this is square root of 5 divided by 2. Now when taking this positive term, we will get m is equal to this 1 plus this square root of 5 over 2. At first taking this positive, or substituting the value of m is equal to 2 to the power n, we can write 2 to the power n is equal to this 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now taking 2 base log to the both side, we can write log 2 base of this 2 to the power n is equal to, right side this can be written as log of 2 base of this 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or this log 2 to the power n, we can write this as this n times this log 2 base of 2, that means this is 1, so we have only n, is equal to, right side this is log 2 base of this 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And when this term is negative, so we can write m is equal to this 1 minus square root of 5, 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, and taking this m is equal to 2 to the power n, we can write 2 to the power n is equal to, right side 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But the value of 2 to the power n is always positive, so left side is always positive, and 1 minus square root of 5, the value of square root over 5 is greater than 1, so 1 minus square root over 5, this is always negative, and divided by 2, so right side this will be always negative. So this left side and right side will never be equal, so there is no solution from this term. So the only solution of this equation, n is equal to log 2 base of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.